Hello! Do you know subtraction for fractions? If you don't, that's great, because we're going to teach you that today. So, like addition, if I did this, so two fractions, okay? And I said one like, I don't know, 3 over 10, and this one is 1 over 10. Now, all you have to do is you subtract the top two numbers taken away from each other. So what is 3 take away 1? Yes, thank you. It's number 2. And then the bottom number stays the same. And it keeps number 10. So this new fraction would now be 2 over 10. Okay? And that is all you do for the subtraction of a fraction. In other videos, we show you how to do it for mixed fractions or for different types. But for this one, we're doing it just for fractions with the same bottom number. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!